In the market for a 5-seater premium SUV? Then the Hyundai Creta may be the right option for you. Here's all you need to know to make the right buying decision. The Hyundai Creta has a unique, futuristic exterior design. Inside, the Creta feels premium. There are 5 engine transmission options to choose from for the Hyundai Creta. Engine options include 2 petrol engines and 1 diesel engine. You can choose from a wide variety of transmission options, including a 6-speed manual gearbox, a CVT or intelligent variable transmission as Hyundai calls it, and a 6-speed torque converter and a 7-speed dual clutch automatic transmission. The larger, naturally aspirated 1.5-litre MPI petrol engine develops 113 bhp of maximum power and 144 Nm of peak torque. This can be paired with either a 6-speed manual transmission or the CVT. The claimed fuel efficiency figure for both the petrol MT and the CVT variants is 17 km to the liter. The smaller but more powerful 1.4-litre turbocharged petrol engine develops 138 bhp of maximum power and 242 Nm of peak torque. This engine is available solely with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. Hyundai claims that this combination returns a fuel efficiency of 17 km to the liter also. The diesel engine is a 1.5-litre turbocharged unit, developing 113 bhp of maximum power and 250 Nm of peak torque. It is available with either a 6-speed manual transmission or a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission. Hyundai claims the diesel manual variants have a fuel efficiency of 21 km to the liter, while the automatic variants return 19 km to a liter. The Hyundai Creta is a feature-rich SUV. It gets Hyundai's signature cascading grille, tri-beam all-LED headlamps with crescent glow LED DRLs, LED tail lamps, 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels in the upper variants, and puddle lamps too. Technologically advanced features offered on the Creta include a voice-activated panoramic electric sunroof, blue ambient lighting, 8-speaker Bose surround sound system, an air purifier, a wireless smartphone charger, 8-way power-adjustable driver's seat, and ventilated front seats. As standard, the Hyundai Creta is offered with dual front airbags, ABS plus EBD, seatbelt reminder from the front occupants, overspeed alerts, rear parking sensors, and an anti-glare interior mirror. Additional safety equipment includes ESC, vehicle stability control, rear camera with dynamic guide lights, and a maximum of 6 airbags, including side airbags for the front occupants, as well as curtain airbags for all the occupants. The Hyundai Creta is offered in a total of 19 variants. Trim levels on both petrol and diesel variants include the base E, EX, S, SX and the top of the line SXO. Hyundai has also added a new SX Executive trim between the S and SX variant. You can read more details about it on our website carwale.com, the link to which should pop out on the top right corner of this video or can also be found in the description below. Ex-showroom prices for the petrol variants powered by the 1.5-litre naturally aspirated engine range from Rs 10 lakh for the base E manual variant to Rs 16.66 lakh for the SXO CVT variant. Ex-showroom prices for the petrol variants powered by the 1.4-litre turbocharged engine range from Rs 16.67 lakh for the SX Turbo variant to Rs 17.71 lakh for the SXO Turbo Dual Tone variant. Meanwhile, the diesel variants are priced from Rs 10.51 lakh for the base E variant to Rs 17.66 lakh for the SXO automatic variant. To see the on-road price of any variant of the Creta in your city, do visit our website CarWale.com. For our opinion on the Hyundai Creta or for extensive details about the car, please visit our website CarWale.com. We upload new videos on the CarWale YouTube channel regularly. Subscribe to stay informed. Click the notification bell to get the latest updates as they happen. Thank you for watching.